Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Fractions, Chapter, Exercise 6B. Exercise 6B. Question number 2. In a hostel, every day 2 and 1/7 quintal of rice is needed. In that hostel, how many quintals of rice is needed in 1 week? Equals to 7 days. Now, every day they need 2 and 1/7 quintal of rice. So, hostel needs rice in 1 day. How much? 2 and 1/7. 2 and 1/7 quintal. Now we have to convert it to improper fraction. 2 and 1/7 means 2 into 7 plus 1. 2 into 7 plus 1 means 15. And 7. 15 over 7. So we can write hostel needs rice in 1 day 2 and 1/7 quintal equals to 15 over 7 quintals. Therefore, hostel needs rice in 7 days. 1 week means 7 days. 7 days. We will multiply by 7. 7 into, because 1 day needs this much. So 7 days need 7 multiply. 7 into 15 over 7 quintal. Equals to. Now when we multiply, we already know how we have to calculate. This is like the denominator will remain 7, the numerator will be 7 into 15. We can always reduce it dividing by any number. Now can we divide it by 7, both denominator and numerator? Yes. Divided by 7 will be 1. Divided by 7 will be 1. So what we get here? Quintals. What we get here? 1 into 15. 1 into 15 over 1 means 15 quintals. Quintals. Answer is 15 quintals. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.